This not be the first time Nigeria dey support neighboring countries. Our support to Niger Republic na to help them protect their territory. Minister of Finance na talk this one. Federal Executive Council meeting wey shele on Wednesday, Country Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo attend the meeting virtually for the first time since dem discharge am from hospital after his surgery. Muazu Jaji Sambo come chook mouth for the development of the Badagry Seaport project and how e go take benefit Naija.
This is to further the government's goal of making Nigeria the maritime hub of the West and Central Africa sub-region. This project, it may interest you to know, will also generate a total revenue of over $53.6 billion over the concession period. It will create about 250,000 jobs and also attract foreign direct investments to the country and help in improving Nigeria's economy in general and the well-being of Nigeria.
The council consider approve new national monetary and evaluation policy for the country, and this one go help provide good governance and accountability.
The policy defines a framework for the institutionalization of the practice of M&E for results that will contribute to improve socio-economic development of the country and enhance the well-being of citizens. The policy clarifies how M&E should be conducted in the country for feedback, especially from citizens, so that decision makers can make effective use of evidence by government and stakeholders to inform policy strategies and investments.
For the matter when concern the 1.4 billion naira when Nigeria support Niger Republic to take buy security vehicles, Minister of Finance Zainab Ahmed talk say this not be the first time Nigeria support neighboring countries, and this support not to help improve the security for Niger territory.
Over time, Nigeria has had to support its neighbors, especially immediate neighbors, to enhance their capacity to secure their countries as it relates to us. This is not the first time that Nigeria has supported Niger, Cameroon or Chad, and the President makes an assessment as to what is required based on the requests of their presidents, and such requests are approved and the interventions are provided. It's to enhance their capacity to protect their own territory as it relates to security also in Nigeria.
The council consider approve 810.5 million naira for ICPC to buy 25 new operational vehicles.
The need for the procurement is based on the fact that the ICPC today has increased its activities. This has been occasioned by improved management, expansion of scope of operations through establishment of more state offices across the country, increase in personnel, among others.
Omo Aluki Ajakaye, TMC TV News.